Hi guys, today I am doing another ASMR video, or at least I am trying to. I hope that it is clear and I hope the audio isn't too awful. You guys really seemed to like my last one and I wasn't sure what to do in this one, but I decided I would do an unboxing of the Allure beauty box for the month of June. I am also sorry if there's background noise from these little guys. I adopted 2 new kittens, and there's really not much you can do when they're making noise in the background. So hopefully the mic won't pick up on that too much, but the video for today is the Allure beauty box. This is the one for June, and sadly this will be my last one. I decided to cancel my subscription. I do really enjoy the box. I really like it, but I guess now that I adopted these kittens, I really need my extra income, and getting a box with stuff I'm not sure I'm going to love is just not something I can do at the moment, so that's why I canceled it. I do really enjoy it, and I actually think this month might be my favorite one, but at the same time, you never know what you're going to get in these. I think it's a great box. I think it's great for people who want to give gifts and don't really know what to get people, because you get a nice amount of stuff in it. Now, I did open this already, so this isn't necessarily an unboxing. It's more of a first impressions, try on, chit chat kind of thing. And there's only one product or 2 products, I guess, that I can really try on. One is a brow product. That's why I have no product in my brows right now. But we're gonna get into it. So I'm very excited about this. Open the box. It comes with a little booklet, which I'll be giving you information on. The first item, I guess I'll just show you, is the bag they give you every month. Last time it was orange. Before that I got black, a clear, a white. This time it's green. How fun. Next up is something I was very excited about. This is the Avene Thermal Spring Water in a mini. Now, I actually believe I put the large version of this in a favorites recently. I bought it for $9, the big one, and I love it. It's very relaxing, it's cooling, it's amazing for summer, for the beach, for outside, for any time you come home and you just need a refresher after a long hot day. I said, I think actually in the video where I mentioned that I wish there was a smaller size. I couldn't find one. Now I got one. So I haven't opened this or anything. It's wrapped in plastic. So I probably won't until I use up the other one, or I need to take this on the go. I'll probably bring it on vacation with me later this season. So I'm very happy to see that in here. I was very excited about this. Now, I believe they did put how much it cost. So it says the price of that is $18.50. That's not accurate, especially that tiny one, because I got one that's about double or triple that size for only $9. So I guess maybe they're talking about the giant size you can get. But also in here, there's a 20% off discount at the Avene USA website. So that's really nice. I like that they give you these discounts if you want to buy the full size. So yeah, I really like that. That was something I was very excited about. Another product we got in here is the Moroccan oil treatment. It's a tiny little size, just like that. This full size of this is $44, which is a lot for a hair product in my opinion. I have actually tried this in the past, and it's not for me. My hair is very thin and fine, so this isn't the kind of product I'll probably be using. Although I do plan on bleaching my hair very soon, so maybe by then I might need it. But this is the kind of thing I may use on my body, because I do really like the scent of it. But yeah, it's just a tiny little one. It's a third of a fluid ounce, so it's quite small, but this oil tends to go a long way, so either I'll let someone else use this, or I'll find a way to use it. But I am happy to have it in here. So that was another product that we got. Next is something I was actually surprised by. I guess I didn't know I was going to be getting this. It's an eye cream, and I believe it's full size. I mean, it's very large. I've had miniature eye creams in past boxes that I've only just recently used up. So I believe this is full size. It's half a fluid ounce. It's by the brand Context, which I've never heard of. It's called Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. Looks like this. The full price of this is $35, which is a lot. I actually have 2 eye creams I'm using right now, one from Mario Badescu and the other from Glossier. So I don't know that I'll need this right away. I may not even open it until I need it. But this is said to be slightly cooling, non-irritating, and it says that you can actually pat it over concealer if your concealer's gotten crusty throughout the day. And it says it's not an eye cream, it's actually a gel. It dries quickly, but doesn't get tight. It's slightly depuffing and brightening, and it has vitamin C and E and antioxidants to help with pigmentation and wrinkles. So that's definitely interesting. It's definitely something I will try, and I'm excited to try. The ingredients don't look bad at all. There's nothing really horse chestnut. I've never heard of that before. So that's definitely something I'm excited to have, and right there, that already pays for the whole box plus some. So that's nice. I like getting full-size products. One product I can actually try on for you is a lip gloss. Baby, you gotta stop chewing at that. Okay, come on, this is not for babies, okay? Go play with your brother. Like I was saying, one product I can actually try on is this lip gloss by the brand Floss. It's called Floss, my new favorite lip gloss. That's a nice title. I am very into lip gloss at the moment, so I am excited about this. This is full price $16. It comes in this box. It says the formula is thin, lightweight, and comfortable. It's not a sticky mess. The tube is squeezable so that you can use up every drop of product once you get close to running out. So let's open that up. It looks like a transparent gloss, similar to the Glossier one that's kind of pink tinted, but it's actually transparent. So I like that. That's a pretty decent size gloss. That's pretty large. Is there any ingredients I should know about in here? Because I am allergic to beeswax. I hope that's not in here. Mineral oil. No, I don't see beeswax, so that's good. It does have fragrance in it. So let's try it on. I have a little bit of nude lipstick on right now. Oh my goodness. It smells like frosting or something very sweet. Wow. Well, I got some lipstick on there, but that is very, very slippery, not sticky in the slightest. It's not thick like the one from Glossier, which I kind of like. It gives you that shine and moisture, but doesn't give you the thick feeling. I sometimes like that, but this definitely feels nice, lightweight. It actually feels very similar to the Mega Slicks, I believe it's called, from Wet n Wild. I really do like that, but if you guys have been up to date on my channel, I'm not buying any new products from Wet n Wild at the moment, so this is definitely really nice, and for $16, that's actually a really nice size. I'll definitely keep using this. I already love the feeling. It's not cooling or plumping or anything like that, but if you want a simple gloss that your hair will not get stuck in, I like that. That's really nice. I have 2 products left. One is the one I mentioned, the eyebrow product. This is the brand Brow Gal. I actually had gotten another product from them a couple months ago, maybe last month. It was a gel. I quite like it. It's not my favorite, but I'll continue to use it. This is a sharpenable eyebrow pencil. It has a spoolie on one end, which I find very nice, and then this side has the pencil, and actually the cap has a sharpener in it, which is convenient, but also if you push too hard, it starts sharpening it anyway, which is kind of interesting. Now they gave me the shade medium brown. I guess that's the right shade for me. I don't know why my hair always looks so warm on camera. It's really not that warm, but I don't know. So the full price of this pencil is $23. It's actually quite a large pencil. And it says that it's not creamy, it's more waxy, gives you fullness. I mean, it's a brow pencil. What is there to say? But I don't have anything in my brows at the moment, so we're actually going to apply this right now on camera. Oops. And see what it looks like. Actually, first let's brush through the brows. I really hope you can't hear the kittens. Now, I'm not one for a brow pencil. I like the new Glossier kind of brush tip marker thing, but I have not used a brow pencil in a very long time. I'm more of a powder person, so this is weird for me. It's definitely a dry consistency. You have to push quite hard to get the pigment to come out. Can you see a difference there? I think you can, but it's definitely not my favorite way to fill in my brows. It's definitely not as neat and concise as I usually like. I mean, I do normally do a really natural brow look, but it's not my normal go-to, so I think I could get used to it if I had to, but it's not my favorite. The color seems just fine though, it's very neutral. Last product in here I'm very excited about, and I actually already have a product in my hair at the moment, but I'm gonna use it anyway. I love getting hair products in here. This is the CGX NYC, the Do-It-All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. It says dry shampoo meets hairspray. Now it doesn't give me the full price of this because it's on the back of this, but this is a mini, which I love because you can bring it on the go. It looks like this. I haven't even smelled it yet, which is very important. I recently did just find a new version of the Batiste Dry Shampoo in the volumizing version, which I'm obsessed with. Everything from the bottle to the sprayer to the scent I'm obsessed with, and that is about $8. I'm assuming this is more, but I'm very excited to try it out. So my hair was washed about a day ago, and it says Volume Refresh Hold Dry Shampoo meets Hairspray. So we're gonna try this out. Don't know what this sound is gonna do for ASMR, but we'll see. It's a very interesting little nozzle here. So let's. Oh, it smells quite nice, like a salon. I like that smell. It doesn't leave any white cast, so that's nice. It actually feels quite thickening. I recently tried the Kristen S volumizing thickening powder, and I really like that, and this gives that kind of a feel to your hair. Actually, like, look at that. This actually gives quite a nice texture. I really like the feeling, and that smells wonderful. Actually, I love the smell of like nice hair products. I mean, that's a pretty big difference. I feel like, I don't know, Julia Roberts and Pretty Woman or something. As of right now, this might be my favorite box just because of this. The lip gloss is great, the Avene product, the eye cream is really exciting. Yeah, this is the one that probably, there's nothing in here that I was like, ooh, I hate it. The Moroccan oil, I'm not disappointed with at all. So I'm actually very excited about this box. I'm very happy with everything. I'm kind of bummed that I canceled. I might resubscribe again in the future. I didn't cancel because I hated it. I didn't cancel because I was disappointed in it. Like I said, I canceled due to budget financial reasons. But I do really like the box, and I would recommend it for those of you looking into a subscription box based on the reviews and the videos I've seen of Ipsy, Glam Bag, Birchbox, things like that. I do think this is probably the best bet. I think the products in here are always really well rated. I think that you get the biggest sizes, biggest payoff for your money, and I would really recommend it. So that's it for this video. I really love doing these ASMR videos. You guys really seem to like them, even though I'm super new with this, and I really appreciate that you're sticking with me, even though I'm a complete amateur. So thank you so much again. Please subscribe to see more from me. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. And please leave comments down below what other kind of ASMR videos you like. Based on a poll I did on Instagram, most of you said that you'd prefer me to do regular videos like this but in ASMR format. So let me know if you guys would rather have get ready with me's or tutorials or anything like that. I'm really excited to keep doing these. So again, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.